On the morning of August 23, at approximately 9:30 a.m., a tragic accident occurred at a construction site during the initial setup of a crane for the project's first lift. While preparing the crane to lift roof trusses, the rigging came into contact with overhead power lines carrying 13,200 volts of electricity. The employee operating the crane was electrocuted and sustained fatal electrical burns. OSHA's investigation revealed several violations of crane operation safety standards, emphasizing the need for proper planning, training, and equipment use to prevent such tragedies. The crane lacked adequate cribbing, or blocking, beneath its outriggers. Federal OSHA requires that the size, condition, and method of stacking the crane's blocking materials are sufficient to sustain the intended load and maintain crane stability. Proper cribbing is critical for ensuring the crane's balance, particularly when performing lifts that require precise maneuvering near power lines or other hazards. In this case, the improper cribbing posed a significant struck-by and crushing hazard, increasing the risk of crane tip-over during operations. The investigation also revealed that the crane operator was not certified by an accredited, nationally recognized certification agency. Operating a crane without proper certification exposed workers to struck-by and electrocution hazards, as the operator lacked the necessary training and expertise to manage risks effectively. Certification ensures that crane operators are qualified to understand site-specific hazards, including proximity to power lines, and are skilled in implementing safe operating procedures. Most importantly, OSHA discovered that the employer had allowed the crane to be operated within 20 feet of the 13.2 kV overhead power lines. OSHA standards for crane operations specify safe clearance distances between a crane's fully extended boom and high-voltage power lines to prevent electrocution hazards. The employer should have enforced proper safety measures, such as de-energizing the power lines, rerouting them, or using a spotter to guide crane operations safely. These preventive actions could have eliminated the risk of contact and protected the employee. This tragic incident underscores the importance of strict adherence to OSHA's crane operations safety standards. Employers must ensure that crane blocking materials are adequate to stabilize the equipment under all anticipated loads, minimizing the risk of crane tipovers. Crane operators must be certified by recognized agencies, ensuring they possess the necessary knowledge to assess hazards, follow safety protocols, and handle complex equipment. Lastly, maintaining a safe clearance from overhead power lines is essential to prevent electrocution. Employers should also explore additional measures, such as de-energizing power lines, using insulating barriers, or assigning spotters for enhanced safety. By learning from these violations and implementing proper safety measures, employers can protect workers from life-threatening hazards associated with crane operations. This case serves as a somber reminder of the devastating consequences of failing to comply with OSHA standards.